Because I'm trying to save the one person left in my life that matters to me.
What's her name? I assume it's a girl.
Sara Nico.
Nico. Nico.
I'm here.
Good evening, Miss Garcia.
Still on for date night?
Oh, every night. You can't get rid of me. You're not missing much out here.
Yeah, except for that view.
Oh, you like that?
Nico, please don't fall.
I'm not gonna fall.
I mean, if I did, I wonder how long it would take someone to find me out here.
I'll see you later, stupid. I miss you.
Give me an hour.
I got one more drop-off I'm late for.
Not going anywhere.
You know I used to go there every Friday for matinees, right?
Do you think that maybe we were there for the same showings?
I did remember seeing this really hot girl that I was too scared to talk to. Did you see that?
You know, actually, now that you mention it, would you mind just telling the guy in front of me if he could please remove his hat?
This guy right here? Is that better?
Hey.
No one's taking you from me.
She needs me, you should go. Okay, it's not safe here.
Yeah, right. I'm not going anywhere.
Roses are red, violets are blue. But I can't get those in the screwed up world, so you're some pencils. Gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
Sara, I'm not letting you give up.
We were never gonna get out of here. I have to let you go. Please say goodbye to me.
I'm not saying that, Sara. I'm not saying that.
Please say
Sara, I'm not
goodbye
saying
to
that.
me.
I'll figure it out. I'm coming back, okay? I'm coming back for you.
Kiss you right now.
Yeah, well, someday.
You leave me room for my imperfections.
When I'm a mess and you jump right in.
And if I drift in the wrong